Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bread culture at home. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a large bowl. Next, gradually add about 3/4 of a cup of warm milk and knead the mixture for 8 to 10 minutes until you have a smooth, elastic dough. Finally, cover the bowl and let the dough rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has risen beautifully, gently punch it down and divide it into 8 equal portions. Take 1 portion and flatten it slightly with your palm. Now, place a spoonful of your favorite spiced potato or paneer filling in the center. Carefully bring the edges of the dough together to seal the filling inside, forming a ball. Then, gently roll it out into a 5-inch round, being careful not to let the filling escape. Now it's time to cook your delicious kulcha. Heat a griddle or tawa over medium-high heat. Once hot, place a kulcha on the griddle. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown spots appear and it puffs up nicely. You can also brush a little water on one side before placing it on the hot surface. Once cooked, brush generously with melted butter and serve immediately with your favorite chutney or pickle. For the best results, always ensure your yeast is fresh. This is key for a light and airy kulcha. Also, be mindful not to overfill your kulcha, as this can cause the dough to tear during rolling and cooking, leading to a messy situation. Practice makes perfect, so don't worry if your first few aren't flawless. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade bread kulcha.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.